Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're looking to move your Litecoin from your Tangem wallet to Revolut in 2025, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but as always with crypto, stay cautious to keep your assets safe. I'm going to walk you through it step by step, so you can do this confidently in just a few minutes. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need the Tangem wallet app installed on your device and some Litecoin in your wallet. On the Revolut side, ensure your account is verified and that crypto trading is enabled. Revolut makes this pretty easy, but double check in your app settings. Let's dive into the steps. Start by opening your Tangem wallet app and unlocking it with your security method, like a PIN or biometric authentication. Once inside, navigate to your Litecoin holdings. You'll see an option like Send or Transfer, tap that to begin. Next, you'll need the Revolut wallet address for Litecoin. Open your Revolut app, go to the crypto section and select Litecoin. There, you can generate or copy your deposit address. Make sure it's specifically for Litecoin, as using the wrong network could lead to lost funds. Back in Tangem, paste that Revolut address into the recipient field. Then, enter the amount of Litecoin you want to transfer. Remember, there might be network fees, so check the estimated total to avoid surprises. Review all the details carefully. One wrong digit in the address could mean permanent loss. Once everything looks good, hit Confirm and authorize the transaction. You'll get a confirmation prompt, so verify it again. The transfer should process on the blockchain, which might take a few minutes depending on network congestion in 2025. After it's done, check your Revolut app to confirm the Litecoin has arrived. If it doesn't show up right away, give it some time and maybe refresh the app. Pro tip: always use official apps and secure networks for these transactions to protect against scams. And there you have it. That's how you transfer Litecoin from Tangem wallet to Revolut in 2025. It's a simple process that puts more control in your hands. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto guides, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay safe out there, and thanks for watching.